let's say their manufacturing cost is 100,000. Ideally they should be transferring 100,000 to the trading. Sometimes they might keep a profit for them. Okay, 100,000 is my cost, I am keeping a profit to factory for them to measure their performance, and they might transfer that item at 120,000. So if the profit, if to the manufacturing cost, if we add a profit and transfer, we call that a transfer price, where the profit is also included.
Business firm sector. So business firm sector needs this factor. So he is asking land, labor, capital, demand. Then the demand comes to land, labor, capital for who? Business firm. So business firm is asking for land, labor, capital. But household sector, so who is having this land, labor, capital? We are having. So we are supplying to the business firm. So we are the supply.
So you are selling this pair of shoes at 2,200 per pair, right? That's what happens here, right? So this is what, this is margin or markup. This is the markup, right? Markup එක තමයි අපි මේ compute කරේ, right? So this is the representation of profit as a percentage on cost. So this 10% was computed as a percentage on this, right? Cost එකෙන් ප්‍රතිශතයක් විදිහට තමයි profit එක අපි compute කරේ.
So when they save money, this household will become the surplus party. So businesses, they always search for finance opportunities, right? Because they want to grow. So always they need money. So we say they are in search of money, they have a deficit of money.